No matter where you try, bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. No matter where you bitch, I'm way too best.
Work that body, work that, work that body, work that, work that body, work that body, work that body.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I did this really cute summer yellow glitter makeup look. Today I did play with the new Colourpop honey palette, honey, because this palette is fucking bomb. Okay, so I wanted to play with this as soon as I got it, you guys. Like, I've been seeing this palette all over Instagram. If you guys are not aware, Colourpop does have like these monochromatic palettes going on. They have them like legit in every single color, but I was so intrigued. Hold on, this is dirty, because y'all know we love yellow. And look at this, you guys. It is so gorgeous. And this glitter is actually a pressed glitter, this one right here in the middle. Woo! I am going to be playing with the orange one in one of my next videos. So you know I had to back out the yellow one for y'all real quick. So if y'all guys want to see how I did this really cute summer yellow look, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. But definitely before you go, hit that subscribe button. That way you can be down with the Prima Donna Nation. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. And until next time, bye. All right, let's get it. So jumping into voiceover, as always, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera because you already know how I do. I'll be there forever and a day. So let's just go ahead and skip that. Taking my Amazing Cosmetics. This is my anti-aging primer. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the skin. I love this primer so much, you guys, because it just makes my face nice and smooth and just ready for foundation. I love, love, love this stuff. By the way, my face is already moisturized before I put the primer, but now moving on to eye cream. I'm going with my Banana Bright eye cream from Henriksen. This is my favorite. If you guys have not tried this, try putting this eye cream on before your concealer and incorporate it into your skin prep, and girl, it will change your life. It makes your concealer go on so smooth. I'm prepping now my eyes with the Born This Way concealer, just so that way we can make sure that all of the eyeshadows we're going to be using does not crease on us, and we have a blank canvas so that way that yellow could pop, okay? So can we just talk about the fact that this palette is really stunning? Like, this is me trying to be a beauty guru and it was a fail. But moving on, you guys, look at how stunning these eyeshadows are. Like, I can't even believe that this palette is only like $12. By the way, I'll leave my coupon code for Colourpop down in the description box. I do have a $5 off coupon code if you guys are interested. So yeah, girl, I got that affiliate code with Colourpop in this bitch, okay? Nah. Anyway, moving on. If you guys hear noise in the background, that's Autumn's freaking cartoons, you guys. She has it on like full blast right now, and I needed to distract her so that way I could do this voiceover real quick. But yeah, I was taking that light shade and I ran that in my transition, and now I'm going in with the brighter yellow, and I'm gonna just pop that into my crease right underneath that transition shade. And can I just say, like, girl, for a $12 palette, like, this has pigment. It has a lot of pigment. Like, Colourpop really knows what the hell they doing with their damn eyeshadows, because bitch, they blend, okay? Now I'm going into that super pretty neutral shade. I think this shade was called Totally Buggin'. I don't know, I really like this shade. It was so pretty, you guys, especially like with the yellow in the transition. It was like really popping. Like, it really was. Like I said, my camera lights are white, so of course they make things look a lot brighter, but in person, girl, this look was amazing. Now I'm going in with the shade Oh Behave and this was the matte like mustardy yellow. I put this all over my crease, but we are going to cover it with the glitter. I just wanted to have a base behind the glitter just in case, you know, anything moves, you know, we safe, you know, you still have the yellow in the background. You guys get what I'm talking about. So anyway, now I'm going in with the pressed glitter, and I'm gonna just use that with Max Fix Plus on a flat brush, and I'm gonna use that to press right over that yellow. And girl, this glitter, yo, you just have to get this palette. Like, seriously, this glitter is beautiful. Like, the shift on this glitter is fiery. Like, it has like an orangey pinky shift, even though it's a yellow. Like, I can't even explain it, girl. You have to just cop it. That's it. Now taking the OG NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, I'm going to use this to brighten up the inner corners because I am going for a lighter yellow inner corner. So I am taking that shimmer shade in the middle top row, and I'm going to just pop this right onto the white Jumbo Pencil. This is going to brighten it up, and that's how I did get that effect of like the lighter yellow in my inner corner. So if you guys are wondering, you just want to like layer it. So I used the white as a base, and then now I'm even taking a white shimmer to go over the yellow just to brighten it up again, and then I actually pack on even more yellow. Okay, it's a lot of layers to this bitch, but it's so worth it because I'm telling you, it really did make that inner corner pop. Okay, alright, so boom, moving on to eyeliner. This look is honestly beautiful on its own. You could have just what am I talking about? You could have just put on some lashes and called it a day, but I wanted to be extra and do a wing. I hardly ever do a wing, so some days I just be going for it. This look to me was just like, yeah bitch, we definitely need a wing. So I did a dramatic ass wing eyeliner, and this was actually my first time using this eyeliner, and it was pretty good. I've never really tried anything from the Balm before, and I actually heard a lot of good things about this eyeliner, so I was excited to try it, and it's pretty good. It dried super black, and it actually glided on top of the glitter mad easy, and not every liquid eyeliner can do that. Okay, so moving on to my lashes, I'm taking the iconic 15s. I actually just started using these because y'all know that the 01s are like my holy grails, but bitch, these 15s are like the 01s but just longer. Like, I've been obsessed with these. Okay, so if you guys see them in your beauty supply store, do not sleep on them. Do you hear me? Do not. So lately I've been incorporating how to do my lashes. You see me right there, but this is what the eyes look like completed, and y'all know I be jamming, hence why I never do talk through videos, because I need my music on blast to come alive. So today I wanted to be cute and I wanted to try a new foundation. Okay, but let me just say that it ended up being a complete fail. From this footage right here, we could all pretty see that that shit is just way too light. Okay, your girl has been out and about with a 2-year-old in the sun every single day. She got me at this park, and I got a tan, and no, this foundation, I don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to even blend it and it just wasn't working for me. So I am going to go back and return it because I am going to get a darker shade. But I really do want to try the foundation. This was the Selfie Love Foundation. I don't know. But I'm going in with a brand new bottle of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. You know what I know best, okay? This is what I know, and I love this foundation. And I had to re-up, which I did. So yeah bitch, so I just backed it out, and now I'm just going to blend this out with my Jouer brush, and then I'm going to go over everything with my beauty blender. To conceal my eyes, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this concealer so much, you guys. I know y'all like probably tired of me using it in every single video, but it's just my shit, okay? Now y'all know I'm going in with my Fenty powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set this concealer so that way it gives me a nice HD smooth look underneath the eyes and it doesn't look cracky and creasy. So make sure you go ahead and set your under eye concealer, and if you have not tried the Fenty one, bitch, I don't know what you're waiting for. So I'm setting the rest of my face with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This is my favorite face setting powder because it doesn't leave me dry and like too matte. It actually keeps my skin looking like skin, which I love. So to bronze up my skin, I'm using my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. Like I said, you guys, I am filming in the city, so I don't have all of my makeup here with me. So I know that I keep using this bronzer as well, but y'all know that it's a favorite of mine. And honestly, like, this is just my go-to. Like, I grab it all the time. But I am going to grab more bronzers when I go back to Jersey because I'm kind of tired of using this shit, honestly. If you guys watched my everyday summer makeup tutorial, you guys know that I've been loving this blush palette from Morphe. It is just so pretty and neutral. Like, I love it. So with this yellow eye look, I didn't want to go for like a pink blush or anything too orange. So this palette was just beautiful. I'm taking that Are You Buggin' shade. Totally bugging shade in my lower lash line, and I didn't want to add too much yellow, so I wanted to like mute it down again. So I'm just taking the brown, but because I did use the middle shade with this brush, it kind of had some yellow on it, so it kind of just made its own concoction of colors, and it actually came out really lit. But anyway, moving on to highlight, I'm going in with my Greek Goddess palette from Lunar Beauty, and I'm going in with the golden shade in the top middle. And I love this freaking highlighter so much. Like, but to highlight this brow bone though, you know, I gotta go in with my amrezy highlighter. It's just something about this highlighter that I like low-key gotta kind of like incorporate it in every single look. Even though it don't go on my cheeks, bitch, is gonna go somewhere. I'm gonna find a spot for it. So I popped it on my brow bone. For lips today, I'm going in with the Dolce Kylie lip kit, and I'm going in with the Dolce liner first to line my lips. And I actually never tried this color before, so I was pretty hyped. Like, it was really cute. It was giving me more of like a warm nude, and I'm more of a cool tone nude because everything else on my face be warm, but I was really feeling this. Now setting my face with the Morphe setting spray, I am gonna lock this mug all in place. And if you guys are wondering why my lips do look a little bit lighter, my camera did die, and I did add a little bit of my NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade London, and that was pretty much it for this look, you guys. The ponytail was actually really cute, but I wanted to really do my hair because and give you guys, you know, a whole look, so I ended up adding some curls. And can we talk about this, because I don't have nails on in this video, so I was actually able to do these cute little braids, and I just love the way this whole look turned out. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this look as well, and thank you all for watching, and until next time guys, bye.